Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AQST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs going to be on this one going into next week. And especially with that last 30 minutes, that changes the landscape of the chart quite a bit. Because the last time I looked at it, what I was, off the top of my head planning and said, all right, well, I'll have to talk about that area of support because it's very clear that the price has bounced. Now it's maintaining and chipping away and working on building that higher low. But then all of a sudden, like I said, the final 30 minutes has happened, and now the price has essentially slightly closed below that area. Now, it doesn't mean that's for sure a true break to the downside, but like I said, the chart would look a whole lot better and different had the price just closed slightly, more so up above that level like it did, previously with all these little miniature hammer candles here. So now it becomes a very legitimate question, especially with the little increase in volume down there of, is this thing getting ready to roll back over? And if it does roll back over, then the next level of support to keep a close eye on will be down there at $5.10. So 5.10, although not guaranteed, definitely looks like it very well could be in play on Monday, if not even lower than that. Again, due to that final 30-minute push, and the push was able to finally break down through that 530 mark, which have been doing such a good job of holding as support. But also, you have to remember, supports resistance levels are not exact specific prices. There's a range element associated to it. So it's definitely still within the range of 530, which is why I'm not saying that, oh, wow, this is a for sure breakdown, because it's still just, essentially a penny below that area. From a resistance standpoint, what I'm now very interested in is, can the price break above this little trend line here? Because right now there's clearly some downwards pressure, of course a lot more during the final 30 minutes. But if the price can recover from this 30 minutes, at least go sideways and then work its way back up there and get a volume, or, a high volume break of that trend line, am I saying it skyrockets up there to close the gap up here at 650? I'm not saying that, but the point here being that there's quite a bit of room for the price to potentially run on any sort of breakout. So we'll see if the price can recover from this 30 minutes or not. But yeah, still an interesting scenario going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.